To draw a character in a cartoony style, start by sketching in the basic shape of the head. You can make the head any shape you like, but it's easiest to start with a circle or a square with rounded edges. Next, fill in the basic shapes of the body. For example, make a large oval or a pair of overlapping circles for the torso, and use circles or ovals to indicate the hands, feet, and joints. Connect the shapes with straight or curved lines to make the limbs and neck, and fill in details like the character's fingers and the outlines of their body. Next, add guidelines to help you figure out where to sketch in the facial features. For instance, draw a vertical line through the middle of the face, then add a horizontal line halfway down to show where the eyes should go. Draw in two more horizontal lines under that to mark where the nose and mouth will go. Sketch a pair of circles for the eyes, a sideways curve or C shape for the nose, and a slightly curved horizontal line for the mouth. Now it's time to get creative. Fill in any details you like, such as the character's hair, eyebrows, clothing, and any other special features or accessories you want to add. When you're done, fill in the outlines with ink, then erase the guidelines and any other stray pencil marks. If you want, you can color in your drawing too.